Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function print. Hi, Python learners. Today, we're talking about the print function, probably the most frequently used function in Python. By the end of this video, you'll know how print works, its purpose, and some cool tricks for making your outputs more dynamic and useful. Let's get started. What is print? It's a built-in Python function that outputs data to the console. Here's the syntax. The object's argument are the values that you want to print. You can pass multiple arguments separated by commas. The sep argument specifies the separator between the arguments. The default is a single space. The end argument specifies what to print at the end of the output. The default is a new line. You can use the file argument to specify the output stream. Default is system standard out. In other words, the console. And if you use the flush argument, if it's true, it flushes the output buffer immediately. But default is false. This function returns none and is used for displaying information. Why use print? It's the simplest way to display data or debug your code. Key concepts include: it outputs data to the console, but you can redirect it to files or other streams. It supports multiple arguments, formatted strings, and special characters. And it's highly customizable using the sep and end parameters for dynamic outputs. You'd use the print function when you're displaying messages or results to users. Often when you're debugging code by inspecting variables or program flow. And finally, when you're logging basic information during script execution. Let's start with a basic example, printing a string. Here, print outputs Hello Python to the console. The print function can handle multiple arguments, separating them with spaces by default. In this example, print combines strings, integers, and the result of an expression into a single output. You can customize the separator and ending characters using sep and end arguments. In this example, sep replaces the default space, and end changes what gets printed after the output, allowing dynamic formatting. Print can redirect output to a file using the file parameter. Here, the print function writes hello file to a file named output.txt instead of the console. By default, the print function buffers output. Use flush equals true to force immediate output. This is useful in real-time applications where you want output without waiting for the buffer to flush. Here are some important points about the print function. It's great for debugging, but shouldn't be used for production logging. Use the logging module instead. Use formatted strings or f-strings for cleaner and more readable outputs. Redirect output using the file parameter for flexible logging or data storage. And that's the print function. To recap, it's the easiest way to display data in Python. It supports multiple arguments, custom formatting, and output redirection. While it's great for basic output and debugging, it's not ideal for production-level logging. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!